Hello puzzle lovers. In this puzzle we'll have to find out how many beans are there in a large box containing less than 3,000 jelly beans. And if we know that, if we divide them even into bags, then we have the following results. If you put 10 jelly beans in each bag, there is one short missing in the last bag. The same is true if you put 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, or even 2 jelly beans in each bag. In all cases, there is one short missing in the last bag. How many jelly beans are in the box? This is the puzzle. I have to find a way to approach it. So what we can observe is that the number of jelly beans in the box is not a multiple of any of the numbers from 2 up to 10. So, because if, for example, x is a number of beans in the bag, x is less than 3,000. This is what we know. And also, in the case we'll add 10 beans in each bag, then we can have, for example, that 8 times 10 plus 9 is equal to x. It's the number of beans. If we add up 9 beans in each bag, then we have b times 9 plus 8 equals x, so forth. Same, for example, 8 in each bag, then we'll have 8 times 8 plus 7 equals x. Okay, so forth. Yeah. So, as we can see, the number of jelly beans, is less than 1,000, and also we can deduce that, conclude that is not a multiple of numbers from 2 to 10. So, the smallest actually number that is a multiple of numbers 2 up to 10 is 2 times 3. It's a multiple of 2. It's a multiple of 3 also. If we multiply by 2, then it becomes a multiple of 4. Then multiplying by 5 becomes a multiple of 5. It is also a multiple of 6 because we have got the numbers 3 and 2. 3 times 2 is 6. It's not a multiple of 7, so we have to multiply with 7. And also, then we have to, it should be a multiple of 8, which means it should be a multiple of 2 times 2 times 2. As we can see, we've got 2 times 2, so we have to add up, have to multiply by 2. So now we have 2 to the power, third power, which means it's a multiple of 8. It's not also a multiple of 9. We've got 9 is 3 times 3, so we'll have to multiply by 3. And then the last step is to make it a multiple of 10. As we can see, this product is actually a multiple of 10 because we have 2 times 5. Yeah. So this number, it's a multiple of the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Yeah. Also, by observing this equation here, we know that the number x, which is the number of jelly beans, digit of this number should be 9. Its unit digit number is 9. This we can deduce it, we can conclude all this from this equation. So as we can see, this product, yes, is equal to 2,520, which it doesn't have as a unit digit the digit 9, 0 is the last digit of this number, so unit digit. So to obtain it, we have just to subtract 1 from this and get the answer 2,519. Okay, So someone may say that why do we have to subtract 1 and why not 2 at 9, for example. So we get again the unit digit number to be 9. The reason being is that if, for example, we say we have this product and then we have to add up a number n, then should be equal to 8 times 10 plus 9. Yeah. So 20 should be equal with 8 times 10 plus 9 minus n. And the right hand side of this equation should be, as we see, a multiple of 10, definitely, because the left side of this equation is a multiple of 10. The only way to obtain this is if we've got n being equal to minus 1. If n is equal to 9, then again we obtain the same answer actually, but maybe the process is different. But this is not the only prerequisite. Also, we can see that should be equal to b times 9 plus 8 minus n. So as you can see from here, to be consistent, see that the right hand side should be left hand side, we know for sure is a multiple of 9, which means that the right hand side should be a multiple of 9. And if we have got n being 9, for example, then 8 minus 9 makes minus 1, which that is definitely the right hand side is not multiple of 9. So the right and left hand side cannot be equal. The only way to obtain equality and to have number 9 being multiple on both sides of the equation, you have n being equal to minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is equal to 9, and then it can be a common factor at the right side of the equation. Number 9 can be common factor. Yeah. We can continue in the same manner, and we can say that the product should be equal with c times 8 plus 7 minus n. And again, we see definitely that the right hand side should be a multiple of 8, and to obtain this we have to have definitely n equals minus 1. It cannot be 9 or any other number actually. So definitely the answer is for number n is to be, the only solution is to be n equals to minus 1, and then the only solution for being less than 2000 is the answer 2519. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more math related content.